how to deal with stress on your body just by using your mind.
Depression, bipolar, anxiety, fear, PTSD, trauma, it's all stress in the brain.
Mindset is a neurological muscle we have. It's not placebo, it's a real muscle, neural activity. When that unites, it's called the willpower, and you can really connect with that into any part of the brain.
I did many studies already because I don't like speculation. I go through study, the scrutiny, and let any scientist prove me wrong, because I think there is more than meets the eye.
This is one moment you can do, anybody can do this. Takes about 4 minutes.
The power to adapt to the stressor in general. We lost this connection is because we wear clothes all the time and we live in a comfort zone behavior. We think we can control nature, but by being non-stimulative in our behavior, we lost the connection in the depth of our physiology. We are able to adapt to anything. How did we do that? By breathing exercises that are like controlled hypoxia, where through the brainstem, the fight and flight suddenly activates the adrenaline and resets the body.
Become the master over your chemistry. Do this 3 rounds in the morning, and during the day, your blood is right on. This exercise goes as follows. So, what I do is, I'm relaxed. I'm gonna lie down. So, belly, chest, head. That's the way it goes, like this. Once you get this rhythm, you do this 30 times. Your head becomes lightheaded. You become loose in the body. It feels like, whoa, tingling in the hands and feet. It's all possible, and it's all okay. Breathe toward it. And then you go 30 times, 40 times, it's okay. Fully in, letting go. It's a question a lot of time asked. I say, on empty stomach, in the morning, before you go have breakfast. That's the great time to do it.
Very simple, very effective, very accessible for any human in the world. And then we go a step further. A step further is the last study wherein I was exposed to cold water. I always say a shower a day, cold shower a day. Once we begin to exercise that, heart rate goes down, we get more energy. You learn to deal with the power of your mind because the blood flow will be better. So thus the transportation system of all our oxygen, minerals, nutrients, anything results in better feeding this on cell level, which gives more energy. And the whole of our physiology becomes more alert against microbes, bacteria, viruses, etc. You know that the cardiovascular system diseases in the West is killer number 1. And this is really a way to tackle it, because this is vascular fitness to the best. And you can stay, actually, if you don't feel the cold as aggressive, you can stay as long, like a couple of minutes. You know what happens with the body, with the blood? It becomes alkaline. Why? Because it's gonna run and all the acidic garbage is getting out of your system. And that's the trick of the cold shower. When people are depressed or bipolar or anxiety or fear or trauma or PTSD, it is stress, and they cannot break the loop. I tell you, we found the key to break the loop. That's where I am right now with the science. And now this needs to be implemented for those in need.